Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin TikTok video. So watch this video till the end. But before we begin, let us know a little about pinning TikTok video. Pinning a video in TikTok is a great way to keep your favorite videos at top of your profile. By pinning a video, you can ensure that it is the first thing people see when they visit your profile. So let's begin. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile, that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the video you want to pin. Then tap on three dots, that is on the right side of your screen. There you will see a lot of options. Tap on Pin. Now when you go back to your profile, you can see the clip you just pinned is on the top of your profile. So that is how you pin TikTok video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.